Welcome to God and Positivity. 10 powerful prayers for your marriage. 1. God, thank you for the spouse you have blessed me with. 2. God, help me to be forgiving and tolerant towards my husband or wife. 3. Father, teach me to love my spouse unconditionally. 4. Father, may my spouse fulfill your plan for his or her life. 5. May my spouse and I seek you first before any other thing. 6. Teach us to depend on your power through every difficult moment we face together. 7. Lord, help me bridle my tongue and not say hurtful things to my spouse. 8. Lord, help my spouse and I not to yield to any temptation that may come our way. 9. Lord, separate my spouse and me from every evil company. 10. May your peace reign in our home. Type Amen if you believe. Like, share, subscribe for more blessings.